Fuck them.
Wesley's in a mood right now.
Fuck
Where are we going?
Ghibli Museum?
Yep.
I think Wesley's hoping to go to a brothel.
Oh, we're going to the Ghibli Museum. But unfortunately, I can't film in there because apparently we're not allowed to take pictures or have our cameras out or anything.
Really?
Yeah.
What?
Sad.
That's lame.
Yeah. I'm sure there's like copyright issues. So...
Snapchat?
No.
Oh.
We can only film outside, so I guess that's what I'm gonna do. We're here. Woo. On this hot day. We aren't allowed to film inside, but I can film outside. This is like all I can really give you guys. I guess I can go downstairs and film also. Probably just food. Oh goodness. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of bugs here. Hopefully not. So what was the first thing we did? We went and looked at some animation stuff.
Oh yeah, that's really cool. It was a bunch of like, they explained how animation works with like frames. Like they had this, did you see the spinning models?
Yeah.
And they turned on the strobe lights and then like dimmed the rest of the lights and it looked like they were animated.
There's just like a bunch of like pictures and drawings and stuff from like all the movies. We went in and watched a film, which I thought was like really weird.
I liked it a lot. It was cute because even though it was like a properly animated film, but all the sound effects were, I'm pretty sure, done by one guy. And it was like a really elaborate film where a caterpillar was like experiencing the world and he was like eating shit and like shitting. But then all the sound effects were like this guy going, oh.
Yum. And then he even like made sound effects for like the tricycle and like a car. But oh my god, the tricycle, like I lost my shit. It was just I was laughing so hard.
Oh, I loved it. Our movie tickets had different like frames on them.
Mine is from
Spirited Away.
Yeah, Spirited Away. His is from Ponyo. And then some of the other ones we're not too sure of. Yeah, we all have like very unique strips.
Like a film
animation.
ticket.
Oh yeah, it's film. That's what it is. Oh yeah, there's a special section about all the food that is in Ghibli films. And then there's just like reconstructions of like where Miyazaki like did his like animations and like how he put them all together. And there was like a bunch of like paintings.
They were like his original prints, I'm pretty sure. Did you see the amount of detail?
Yeah.
And they were watercolor and acrylic paints, and they were super detailed. My favorite section was the food section because did you see his like sketches of people just eating?
Yeah.
And you saw that he actually had to study people eating.
Yeah.
Which is wild.
Karan doesn't like being in cameras, or he doesn't like seeing himself on camera.
I'm fine listening to myself. I don't like seeing myself on camera.
Okay, well you're
No, I don't want to see it.
No
thanks. Did you get anything from the gift shop?
No, I didn't. I didn't really see anything that was too cool, but I thought your cards were really cool.
It had like different pictures from all the different movies.
Damn.
I like
They're
that.
really nice.
So how'd you like the museum?
I thought it was really cool. I wish I had my glasses.
Yeah, you must have not been able to read anything.
Nope. But right now we're going to a pancake place.
Oh, with like a super tall jiggly pancake from Ghibli Ghibli. I'm not gonna say this.
He's really bad at making jokes.
I'm so funny. I'm so fucking funny.
He's not funny. What the freak? Oh my gosh. Alright, Jag, we're splitting. Me and Jag are on a date. got a soup because they made us order a second thing.
It's like squash.
Like squash?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Yeah, it tastes like butternut squash.
It smells.
Ooh, wait, I'm gonna need you to jiggle this. That's right. That's a jiggly waffle.
Jiggle that shit.
Me and Jag are sharing.
Sure.
Always. Sharing.
Always. Me and Jag are always on a date. We just shared the soup.
You ready for this?
It tasted like cheese.
It tastes pretty good. You cut it? No. You put syrup, idiot.
What are you
Have
doing?
you eaten pancakes?
Let him cut it in half first.
I think that's Jiggle.
Jiggle. Ooh.
Man, don't you dare make that fall.
Look at the tiny cup of syrup. Oh god. Oh no. How many Berkeley students does it take to...
To precisely cut a fluffy pancake in half.
Yes. Just one.
One smart CS boy.
One smart CS boy. Me too. Mostly got it for the video, but that's okay.
Wow, that's very, very.
Yeah, it's an egg on it.
There's cheese?
Wow.
Previously at the University of Colorado Boulder, and at Collis I did my project on
I met a lot of people on the trip at college, living here, taking the train every day, eating food here, trying new places, and they're just amazing. And I also saw the craziest sights. I climbed Mount Fuji, which has a really nice view on top. It was my first time going to onsen. I was naked in front of something. Honestly, I've had the best food ever, and I'm gonna have withdrawals when I get back. I got to try Kobe beef for the first time. I had some really good sushi with the CEO and sushi. And then like ramen is one of my favorite things. I never feel like different. I just feel like oh, this is like pretty much an extension of California.
Okay, companies so different. And honestly, like this is just so different and like so unique. I'm very
I'm glad to hear that.
Every time like literally like there's 4 cases right here.
And the shaking.
I thought it was like, I'm old. But she sounds so shaky.
This is one beer in, guys.
If you soda, it might be.
We got the new Starbucks drink. This is gonna be my first Starbucks. Ruby's first Starbucks ever. 21 years into life. I love when Amanda lets me take over her vlogs. I get to zoom in on her face. Ha!
Cheers. We're gonna let the people know exactly what's going down right now. So this is your first Starbucks ever.
Beautiful! Ooh! Cute! Whoa, something crossed my mouth. Oh, that's my drink. I'm gonna get it. Jag, love me. We're higher than a motherfucker! Why is this so soft? We're higher than a motherfucker! Cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. We're higher than a motherfucker! We're higher than a motherfucker! What is it?
The sushi! Do the sushi! Woo!
Jag, how about we just see you dance? I'm not singing the lyrics. You're not even singing the lyrics. Jag!
Will love you till we're 17. People fall in love in mysterious ways. That's what makes you beautiful. Come on, you got it wrong. We're gonna have to live in the sun. I don't know why you're being shy. YMCA, I just say myself, YMCA. You're back, you're back.
Hey, 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 hey. It's our last day of work.
Mr. Supervisors.
Yeah. Also, we just found the underground path to go to work like 2 days ago.
After 8 weeks. Super saved us so much heat.
I'm tired.
I'm so tired. Sushi was still ready to keep going too.
Oh my god.
Our boy has the energy of a toddler.
Yeah. Where are we eating?
I forgot. ABC.
Ginza ABC. We have a special like sesame broth.
Doing my last dinner here. My mango butter.
Unagi?
Ooh.
No unagi. Never again.
Wait, what happened with the nagi?
We walked to a fucking expensive ass unagi restaurant. I thought it was gonna be cheap.
Surprise! We got you guys gifts.
What? Yeah, we got one for Masa too.
What? Oh wow! Nice! Wow!
Yeah, that's for everybody.
Yeah, and if you can translate the writings on there, it's like directed to everyone.
Ah, okay.
Wow, you guys made this? Wow!
We were gonna come in earlier today and set up the room for you guys before we went to class,
Yeah.
but we slept through our alarms.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Is it open?
Yeah.
Open it.
Wow, thank you.
You will never buy. I'm just kidding.
This cute candy.
It's all animal.
Wow.
Animals.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
We got you a bunch of bears because Berkeley.
Yeah, you're the more bear-like person.
Oh, go Bears. Very much appreciated.
This is for
For your,
For
yeah.
everybody.
Are you guys allowed to put up stuff?
Gotta put it here. It's facing the street.
Facing the street.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, John did not have lunch with us today.
Oh.
Aww.
Don't tell Mom.
You got the photo yesterday?
Yeah.
That was hard.
Yeah, it was a little hard, but we did it.
Just coming out.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, how do you get it? Wow.
Good job.
Actually, we didn't even have to use Google Translate. We just pointed.
Oh, okay. Even I don't know how to get this.
Oh my!
What is this?
There's a line.
So basically, you jump over the gate. He looks like Samurai Jack.
Stop. I forgot what this was. Do you remember what this was? It's like a special thing that you can only get in Japan, and it's new, and it's like chicken something.
Something honey.
Something honey. This is so good. Oh!